Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TNXP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where the red and green line notations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that dollar mark was considered the level of support. But unfortunately, you can see that the price broke down below there. And then after that occurred, that was basically the momentum floodgates opening back upwards and down the price went. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, that dollar mark is certainly going to be public enemy number one that you'll want to keep an eye on and see if the price can break above it or not. In the event the price can get back above the dollar mark, then the next level of resistance you would want to immediately turn your focus to is that purple line up there, which on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 50-period moving average, currently valued at $1.05, but probably getting a little bit too far ahead of ourselves given the price first just needs to be able to bounce up to $1 and then get through it. And then at that point, it makes maybe more sense to be focused on the 50-period moving average. But nonetheless, keep your eye on those levels from the technical point of view and resistance levels. As far as areas of support are concerned, you're going to squeeze down the chart here because this next level, which I talked about previously, comes into play at this green line right here at 85 cents. So it's getting very close to there. And I do want to map out one more area of support just in case the price comes down there and then breaks down through there, which I'm not saying will happen at all, but just a level to keep an eye on. So if the price cannot hold above 85 cents, then the next key level to watch would then be down there around the 72 cent mark. So those are going to be the main technical levels to watch going forward. But yeah, rough day today. We'll have to see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.